friends, welcome back. My name is Sarveshwar, and in this video, I would discuss how to make multiple graphs in a single image. In last video, I have shown how to make one graph at a time in a single image. In this video, we'll discuss how to do we have multiple series like for ACC, for Reliance, for different companies, and then we want to put them together in one image by using for loop. So for this video, the prerequisites are you need to know how to use for loop, and then you need to know how to use PNG command. Both videos I have shown earlier. Just when you put them together, this is a series of that. How to do that? First of all, what I'm doing here, I need some files. So for that, I'm just setting my the working directory where my files are there, and I'm just calling. I'm just making a list file names by using command list.files. It will give me the name of all the files those are in current working directory. So this way, and I just need tickers out of that. So this is my file ACC. Suppose this is my file ACC matched. So I need the tickers to mention as a title of my graph ACC. So I'm just extracting it from that by using sub string command. Out of the string, I am just extracting that part on a ticker part ACC Ambuja Cham this way. So now I can see in this ticker 42 what I have get here. Mm, these are the name of the companies ACC, Ambuja Cement, Axis Bank. These are the tickers I have extracted from the file name. Now what can I do here? So friends, here what I learned, simply you need to mention your directory where your files are put. Just make a list of files and tickers. So you can use these things in your for loop. Okay, now I start by using png command as I had shown in my earlier video. All the resolution I have mentioned here. Then I am just mentioning in this file what should be the outlet. It is a 5 by 2 outlet, means in this on a single A4 paper 5 I would be having two columns of 5 image in one, like in one column 5 images are there. 5 by 2, one paper in which I have 5 rows and 2 columns, means 10 graph image I would have there. uh, and for each like I have 10 graphs, and out of this 10 graph, each what should be their their margin sides. In this way, I have mentioned all these things here by comments. You can just go through that. And now I am just giving for loop command for I in 1 to 10. I am just going and reading the files by file names. I already have a vector here out of that contains 42, but I don't want to use 42. I am just taking only 10 out of that. Only 10 files will come here. What will they do here? uh, read.csv, it give me a file. Then that file would be plotting uh, this, adding one more line for futures, and mentioning, and the name should be tickers 42i. That is the name ACC Ambuja Cement in that case. So now I'm just using this for loop this way, and I'm putting this image function off. We need to make it off to get the graph um, off. Okay, so now this way, we have got a very nice picture. This would be going in your current directory. This is my current directory here. So this is the way you will get file, like for each file with tickers mentioned on them. The green is futures and the black line is for spot prices. You can do for multiple lines for spot, futures, and then options, then some other file like for ETF, etc. So you can add multiple lines, you can add multiple graphs on a single image. This is a high resolution image. You can enhance it more. This is the way you can use it to send to your journal. You can just simply cut and paste, copy and paste in your word file. It will look awesome. It will add, like we can say na, चार चांद लगा देगा आपके पेपर पे. So this is the way, friends. Thanks for watching. Keep watching.